This was another book that was at the forum. It's also another award winner. I'm not quite sure what this award means. The woman who I was speaking with, we didn't actually get to this book. There were so many, but I didn't even see it the first day. I stopped by the booth. It wasn't until I went back that I saw this one, and it caught my eye. And it's actually for a little bit slightly older age range. It's actually a graphic novel format, which is really cool. I didn't really see many graphic novels at a lot of the Middle Eastern the publishers from the Middle East booths. This one's pretty much it, and it's just kind of cute and quirky. And from what I understand, what I could gather from it, he's a gardener and he goes on trying to go about his day, and things just keep getting messed up. But I just wanted to share this one as well, just because it's pretty cool too.